Hey guys, it's storming out here in Ohio. I just got home from work. Literally, as soon as I turned my phone on to record, I literally missed it because I didn't hit play in time. There was literally a giant flash of lightning going right through my fucking body. I'm underneath the metal fucking arm where I shouldn't be right now. And literally, it's pouring so bad. We have water flushing out of our drain. You cannot see you can't really see the road on camera, but it's like a river right now. That flash of lightning was like a freaking firework that went off right over my head. It was so bright, so loud. So, okay, if you've ever been to like a war reenactment of some kind, it sounded like one of those giant cannons that they fire off. That's how loud it was. Wow, right over our head. It was probably like literally like right over there. It was like a flash and not even like a full 2 seconds later, like a giant boom. I'm surprised that we still have power right now because it was so loud and close. I'm just gonna keep this going for another minute or so to get this footage. But it's really coming down right now. I wish we had a light. Right there's another big flash, but that's not as bad because it wasn't close. Yeah, last time I wouldn't have been able to get that many words in. It was like flash and boom. You can somewhat see the road right there where the flashlight is. That's like the strongest setting I have. My flashlight's fully charged. And it looks like the shoulders, both sides of the road, are literally like a moving water area, like a river. See, it's pawning right there where another trailer could go right next to ours, but that's an empty spot right there. That's literally like a river of water puddling all down the road. I love storms, especially at night. So yeah, I wish I actually clicked play in time enough to actually get that first perfect boom right on camera. Even if I hit play and it got it, I knew it didn't because it was like right after the fact is when I hit play, right when I pulled out my phone. And I'm gonna go inside away from the metal awning outside on our small little square porch. Starting to calm down now, actually. But it's been storming. Oh, there's a nice flash right there. Yeah, the storm's definitely moving farther away now. Yeah, it's definitely farther away now, that main cell. Because there's the rumble. So, well, it's been raining like this for about the past hour. Right now, it's a little bit after, probably around 10:25 or so. But yeah, Ohio weather update with Samantha, guys. Peace, love, equality. I'm gonna be doing a new video tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna upload this now. I got a couple videos I'm going to do this weekend. I'm going to do one video tomorrow. I go to work. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what it is. If not, it's going to be the Roman Atwood G Fuel flavor. I'm trying that tomorrow before I go to work because I close again tomorrow and I'm off Sunday. Sunday, I'm doing another video, hopefully. But yes, I'm going to sign off now for real. Peace, love, equality. I'll see you guys in the next video.